Okay, folks, we're looking at the market close numbers for Monday, August the 12th. Look at the Dow Jones, down 1.5%. S&P 500, NASDAQ down almost 1.25%. And then small caps down 1.6%. Let's look at the futures. So looking at the futures this morning, everything is slightly up. We do expect today to be a positive or at least a flat day. So with that being the case, at the last minute yesterday, we decided to go with 85% Putnam stable value and 15% 2060 target date. And that was based off of our the charts that I'm going to bring up in a minute. We're trying to use the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart time frame to make our decision. I'll pull the charts up in a minute. Okay, first thing we want to look at is the semiconductors. So semiconductor, SMH. Look on a 1 hour time frame. You can see that the price percentage oscillator is about to go positive. You can see the MACD is about to go positive. And you can also see the derivative oscillator is negative, but it's maintaining. It isn't going more negative. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. 2 hour chart for semiconductors. You see the price percentage oscillator is about to turn positive. The MACD is becoming less negative, and the derivative oscillator is becoming less negative. Let's look at the financials, XLF. Okay, XLF on the 2 hour time frame looks very similar. Price percentage oscillator is about to turn positive. MACD is about to turn positive, and the derivative oscillator is becoming less negative. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, for financials, price percentage oscillator on a 1 hour chart is positive. The MACD is positive. Derivative oscillator is becoming less negative. So you see the financials were down almost 2% for the day. Normally the financials and semiconductors and small caps dictate the future direction of the markets. Let's look at small caps next. IWM. Okay, small caps. You see small caps for the 1 hour time frame is positive. For price percentage oscillator, MACD is positive. Derivative oscillator is becoming less negative. Let's look at the 2 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame, the price percentage oscillator is about to turn positive. The MACD is about to turn positive, and the derivative oscillator is becoming less negative. So to me, financials, small caps, and semiconductors, they're all pointing in the same direction, where it looks like on the 1 hour and 2 hour time frames, it's either positive or getting less negative. So we'll take a gamble on that. We'll put a small percentage of our portfolio to be aggressive for tomorrow, even though this week could probably be another red week, another negative week. One thing that we do have coming up, we have the bond market 2-year and 10-year term yields about to invert. Let's take a quick look at that. Okay, you're looking at the U.S. bond market. U.S. 2-year yield is a 1.577. U.S. 10-year yield is a 1.639. So U.S. 2-year yield is a 1.577. U.S. 10-year yield is a 1.64. So that's whew, that's very close, y'all. Very, very close. When that 2-year yield is higher than the 10-year yield, there's a very good chance that you're going to see a sell-off in the stock market for like a week, 2 weeks, maybe even a 3-week period of time. It is going to be ugly. So we'll just stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your patience. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. We'll see what happens, y'all. Later.